Today, I'm going to go out in the woods and test the new Boblov W2 Mini Body Cam. It's a very small little unit, very lightweight. This actually records, again, during the day and automatically transfers into night vision. This unit looks very easy to use. As you can see, it'll actually just clip on right here onto anything you're wearing, and it has a on-off button on one side, and on the other side it has video or a photo or just audio. Nothing to open. Like I said, very small, very compact. We're gonna try this out in the field today. This is the Boblov W2 Mini right here. Overall, the Boblov W2 Mini Body Cam was a complete success. I loved the quality of the HD during the day. I liked how it transferred into night. I wish it had a little bit longer battery life than what it did, which is okay because I can always plug it on the go and get it charged up once again. Overall, I highly recommend this nice compact W2 body cam. You can use it anywhere.